Hello everyone. So today we're gonna discuss the analyzer that we're gonna help cast team and bidding team to track their campaigns and their items and make sure that they're gonna make money. So this thing is almost complete. So I'm gonna go at least on the first two tabs, first version and duplications. Maybe discuss a little bit profit analysis, so we can see that you can work with it as well, and the idea behind it. Okay, so what we want to do here with the analyzer. Let me use my amazing PowerPoint skills. So I'm going to choose a text box here. Yeah, that's it. Um, what we want to do here is to track goal. Goal is, of course, make more money. Now, let's just because I got to know how we people think, let's understand what is not the goal. Okay, is not updating the sheet. This is not a goal. Um, Adding as many campaigns or items as possible. Nah, not a goal. We need to make money. And if as many, not as many, as many. This is not the goal. Obviously, if we can create more campaigns, we increase our chances. But guys, you have to understand that our campaigns has to be of high value, high quality. And if we don't do that, it doesn't matter how much work we put into campaigns. And this is probably one of the biggest mistakes we had. We were able to create so many campaigns, but well, none of them actually worked. So that's the major reason. We are now reducing the amount of work, so we will be able to increase the quality, be able to track the campaigns the right way, and only then can go on and scale up with volume. And as we progress through the sheets, I'll add more goals that are actually false goals. So this is what it looks like. Let me even give you just a moment. Yeah. Okay. So the idea behind it is, let's take this, is that you have first versions tab, first versions, which it means that we are creating um, an item and we upload campaigns on different platforms, and that's called the first version. After that, and after it's approved, we are going to create duplications. That's the volume part. Duplications. It means that we're going to duplicate the campaign that got approved eventually and create more iterations of this or versions of this. And then we're going to be profit analysis. And that's hopefully we're going to analyze why we did this amount of money. Hopefully we'll be profitable in the plus, we'll be on the plus size here and and try to make it make even more money. Now, let's think about that. Um, what is the goal of the first version campaign? The goal of the first version campaign is to get our desired ads approved. That's the goal. And I remind you that when we create a campaign, what we do is a campaign is like a set of ads, right? So you can have up to 20 ads. So add 1, add 2, add 3, and so on. Now, and that's let's say add 20. So the idea here is that in some points, okay, we're gonna have some unsafe ads. Let's say ad number 10 is unsafe, and ad number 17 is unsafe. All the rest of them will be safe. Why will they be safe? Because we want to get past policy team and hope that they don't find the unsafe ads this and this because we cover them up with many safe ads. So they go ahead and quickly breeze, see safe, 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 safe. Okay, I got it. It's all safe. The policy team says, yeah, it looks like everything is safe. I'm gonna move on. So we're playing on that, around that, and our goal is to get them, um, approved. And these are what we call the desired ads. So let's go back here. The goal is to get our first our desired ads approved. So what happens if we don't? We can either create a duplication or because we got so many ads approved, so many saved, so we can maybe go ahead and try it. And then on the duplication, we'll only go and wait for the desired ads to be approved, or we gotta keep on resending the campaigns until until we gotta get the desired ads approved. Anyway, what the ultimate goal is whether in the we whenever we're gonna play it, we gotta make sure that we have our desired ads approved. That is very, very important to understand. This is not where we try to make money. After that, we know we got our first goal in place. We got our desired ads approved, at least one of them. And then we go ahead and create duplication. This is where we try to make money. This, okay, goal here, okay, is to increase the volume of desired ads across whitelist publishers, and if you cannot get them across whitelist publisher, so at least profitable publishers. Okay, so we can go ahead and launch them on publisher that sent us it's not column, it's volume. Publishers. We want our ads to appear on a website that will send us high quality traffic. And using duplications with specific targeting locations, specific market, specific audiences, and so on, we try to reach the correct audiences. Here we do the right thing. This is the right place. Oh, so let's do that. The right thing or the right ad. And this is how to display it to the right audience. We cannot really expect that the first version will make money. It will make money from here and there, but it makes more sense to believe or expect that one of the duplications will actually be the one that makes money, one of them at least. And the last thing, well, in profit analysis, okay, will be the goal will be to make money from, you know what, even to focus our money making on the campaigns that matter. We're gonna have so many campaigns up there and running, and we will need to choose only the opportunity campaigns and what we call A campaigns, the best possible campaigns, and focus our analysis there. If we're gonna analyze everything, we're not gonna make money. And that is here, we'll actually want to maximize the money making potential. Why potential? Because sometimes the monetization of the website is very low and you cannot really make money. You need to what it's called to incubate the website and until we can get enough high enough UV in order to user value in order to actually make good money from the audiences sent there. Now let's jump right in and see what we're talking about. First, let's just discuss the sheet rules. Let's discuss this. Don't add or remove rows. So don't add or remove rows. It will break the code. Don't add or remove columns. Same thing. It will break the code. Don't delete formulas. I try to protect every formula there is, but if I miss that and you delete that, then it will cause trouble. Here is the first version step. So let's go ahead and look at the column. Well, here we are talking about an item. It's not a campaign, it's an item. Remember that an item can get a set of campaigns for each platform. So when we upload an item, we may upload it on various websites. Okay, so that creates different so-called versions of this campaign. Now, item version Version will be defined by the set of ads that you create. So if you put the same ads, okay, then everything will be version 1. Now, if you want to create another version of Gita Heiningen, or whatever her name is, okay, on medical matters, on Baidu platform, on location Germany, language German, listicle name still alive, okay, then we could use that. And please don't copy paste, just here. You see what happens when people copy paste or do an add columns? This is very, very, very bad. Okay, it already broke the code, I can tell you. So I'll fix that here. Um, Now, if we're gonna do a different set of ads, I'm gonna do V2 because that means I tried another set of ads. And when can this be done? Maybe we'll go one very safe and one very dangerous, or just dangerous, or we'll do two versions of desired ads, but we have too many, so we have to split them between two campaigns, and so on. So this is the item version. Um, and you have some rules here. Version 1 is the ad set you create on a given platform. If you're using the same ad set for another platform, use the same versions. Versions are per ad set, not per website. And that's important. If we're going to use the same ads per website, so we're going to use that, let's say another easier name to pronounce, Marisa Tomei. Then we're gonna just use this. If these are the same ads, we're gonna use more rows for, let's say, for Payday Veal and Direct Healthy and Net Worth Magazine. So we'll have 3 rows: one with Payday Veal, one with Net Worth Magazine, one with I don't know, Direct Healthy, and then everyone will have the same view one because these are the same ads. So now we understand that the item version is according to the ads that they are in the campaign. Platforms, you can see we can choose all the platforms that we have, including the specific accounts. So we have here Taboola regular account, Brazil account 1, 2, Outbrain, and so on and so on. Websites is the list of websites that we have. We can control. Location, well, it's self-explanatory. Just note that you you can upload on location combos. For example, UK, Ireland, English, in English and worldwide, leading English-speaking locations. You have a place where you can define all the locations yourself. I'm not going to show it now. Um, let's continue. Language, well, same thing here. You have the languages. Listicle name still alive. You're gonna have all the listicles here. If you don't have the listicle that you're looking for, talk to your manager. Listicle link. Okay, listicle link is the link that you're gonna use on on your Trello card. So don't make mistake and put the Trello card here. We had this mistake. Let's see if we can see that mistake here. No. Okay. Don't mistake that if you think that someone puts a link, put the first link that comes into your mind. No, only the exact direct listicle link that appears in this. Let's just show you. Let's see if this is working. No, no. I thought I had an arrow handling here. Let's see if it's still here. Oh, if you will put the Trello here, Trello, and do something, it will mark it in red. So once you have a red, and we're gonna add some more color coding later, red means it's not good. So don't keep a red, please. Okay? You don't want that. Okay, red is the enemy. So think what went wrong and fix that. If not, use your manager, ask. Campaign ID is the campaign ID. Upload priority, we have ordinary, high, and crucial. So, and why we do that? So we can analyze later how well we perform on any kind of priority uploading. So let's say we have a crucial. Let's take this example. Crucial. This one is crucial. Andrew Tate. Okay, so later on I can ask a question like this crucial campaign. Was it played? Was it not played? How long does it take for us to play crucial campaigns? How long does it take for us to upload crucial campaigns? And ask so many cool questions that Google Sheets allows us to ask. Let's continue. Item status. We have all the statuses: played, approved, the approved campaign and desired ads, but a campaign is approved but desired ads are disapproved. Pending. Pending means that the policy team is viewing them. Rejected internally means that we have found a bug and we need to upload it again. Uploaded, so we just uploaded it. I think that's uploaded, and pending is the same thing. I'll delete uploaded. In creation and ideated. Ideated is just we brought it. It's to idea. We never created it. In creation, it means that ads team is creating them. Pending should be instead of uploading. Yeah, that's a mistake. Okay, PAPS optimization. PAPS is a cool name for post approval pages per session. So only one. And did I say only? Only once an ad, the right ad was approved, we're going to go to the page itself, to the link that we can see here, for example, and optimize the link. What is optimize the link? Is find similar celebrities, use some tricks and gimmicks that we know and you have them on Knowledge Center. Make all the necessary adjustments that the pages per session, i.e. PPS, will increase. Okay, so did we do pages per session or not? That's the action. And who has done it? So we know whether we can later on check whether the person is doing a good job or a bad job and then train them accordingly. Now the dates, also important. Oh, we have a red here. Is a red good? No. So this person here, Himanshu, in that case, should see that and do something about it. Can you guess why the red is incorrect? Look at the titles here. Okay, we'll go in it for, to that in a few seconds. So let's think. We have ideation date, creation date. So ideation is where we just came up with the idea. Creation date is when we created the ads. Content delivery date is when the content team actually provided the items for creation. Upload date, it's when we uploaded the campaigns. Desired first version approval rate is well when we got our ads, the ads that we want, the desired ads. Let's call it desired ads. Desired ads approval rates. So DA. Okay, desired ads approval rate. So when our ads was the ads that we wanted to play are approved, and let's see that here. Remember, these are our DAs. If they are rejected, we have a problem. Okay, so we can either create another and either we can create an additional campaign and try to fight for desired ads there, or fight on them on the same campaign. Fight meaning keep on sending them. You see these things? It means that someone is copy pasting. You are not allowed to copy paste on this sheet. Please repeat with me on the video. I can't hear you. Say it out loud. I won't copy paste on this sheet. I won't add rows. I won't add or remove columns. Repeat after me. I won't copy paste. I won't add or delete rows. I would not add or delete columns. I would not do that. That will destroy the sheet. Is that clear? Good. Very good. So now is it red? Why is it red? Because the play date should be technically at the same date or the day after the desired ads were approved. Okay, unless there are some extreme situations that you need to take into considerations. So this is why I put it in red. So you see, this person now, why is it red? Because he needs to go ahead and play it. Okay, Trello link card. This is where you put the Trello link card, not the website, the Trello itself. Okay, let's continue. Spy tool. Which spy did we use to locate this? Okay, so if they have a specific comment, or I want to see the desired unique ad text, so we can later on examine the how good our ads people can write. So if we don't see the desired ads, how would the players, the campaign players, would know which kind of text they need to fight for? Okay, that's important. So that's the signal that they're gonna use. Gonna show to the uploaders. Maybe in the future we'll add some other signal here, but we need to show the ads people should show the campaign players or CSMs or whatever which ads are the desired ads. If they don't do that, they miss the communication between them. This is a statistic. Just show us statistics how much time it takes us to upload a campaign, from ideation to upload, from upload to desired ads. Um, Lead time, upload to play date, see 54 days, 86 days. Obviously, we cannot survive with these numbers. We need to make them very, very, very short. Now, we have internal issues here. What are internal issues? Okay, it means that the Trello Manager CSM went ahead and saw that we have a problem in campaign uploading. So they choose here. Now, what's important for you to understand that you need to wait until you see this. Okay, just a moment. There's a bug. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Okay, I found the bug. Just that's what happens. See, guys, that's exactly what happens when you add columns. So I actually put it on the video. So you need to call me, so I go ahead and solve it. And that usually takes time. I'm not the most free person um, in the company. And then you have a bug, and then something goes wrong, and you don't know what to do, and so on. So let's start again. This error part, okay, is where to track internal errors that we do. So we have the date. We choose a date. Let's put today. Internal error team. Okay, is it regarding campaign uploading or WordPress uploading? So let's choose campaign uploading for that matter. And then we have to wait. See here? Now we have another drop-down initiated. So let's say wrong audiences. And then we need just to choose from the campaign creators. I don't know if these are the entire names. It's just we need to figure that out. I think that's the wrong set of names. Now let's do it again. When I show you now, please take a look at this cell. Okay, I'm going to choose WordPress uploading. Now look at the yellow cell. Wait for the arrow to disappear. Only then click it. It disappeared, and then it generated another thing. If you're gonna do that and jump ahead and do that and click it, it will upload, it will generate possibly a wrong list. For now, you have a 50% chance for it to happen. So you don't wait for that to happen. You don't let that happen. You just go ahead, choose, wait, 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 and wait, and then it appears. Let's do here. Look here. We're gonna wait when the arrow disappears. Yes, and then, only then, we're gonna click it. So this is how drop-down dependent lists are working. And just to I'll even mark them in color for you. You know what? So let's do that. And I'm gonna even pause the video because it's gonna take like a minute or two. And now I created an amazing color coding trick. Let's make sure now I have marked it in yellow. So when you see this yellow, bright yellow mustard kind of look color, then it means that it's a drop-down dependent. So once you initiate that, you'll have to go to the other part. Now you see it became red. Red means that you have to put some sort of information there, and it's also an indicator that you have to wait. Now, if you're gonna leave that open, it's bad. Once you're gonna put something here, it's gonna become white. So that's an internal type, arrow type 1. And the creator, we're gonna put the name here, and then we can repeat the process again to the rest of the arrows. And I'm gonna obviously mimic the color coding trick to the other places a bit later. Now we're gonna go to rejection reason. This is where we track the rejection reasons done by policy teams. And here, okay, let's say they have rejection count. This is the first rejection, and we're gonna resubmit right now. Now we're gonna choose the platform. I do that because I have to some code limitations that I cannot solve at the moment. We have to choose the same platform as you use here, which is Baidu. Okay, anything else than other than Baidu will give you an error. Look, red is not good. Zemanta, not good. But Baidu will give you a white, which is okay. Now, why is that red? Can you guess? Let's see if you got the idea. Remember what yellow stands for? Do you remember? Come on, I know you can answer that. Come on. Let's try this. Let's put Baidu or Yahoo, or maybe Tabula. What was it? Yeah, it was Tabula. Why is it red? because we need it's a drop-down dependent list. We have to wait. So this is our signature. Okay, let's mark Baidu again. It will run the code. And if you're going to wait, you're going to see the drop-down waiting for you. And then it's going to load all the rejection reasons for platform. And that's going to be the first. The first is always going to stay there. Why is it always going to stay there? Why is that? Because we want to track why if we are repeating the same mistake on the first rejection reason. Usually if we can solve the mistakes that of the first rejection, maybe whether it's big grammar or something, we can know that we're not good at something and then analyze it. So we never change that. And then you have the date. We have the date. And the cool thing is that we also tell you what to do. So let's keep that this area for a moment, because once we have the rejection, we have the explanation. Okay, and you'll get an explanation. Look at the second row, for example, tabula poor user experience. That means that we have poor quality images, okay, in the ads. And what is this is the explanation. Donkey fix is what the donkey itself should fix. And why is it donkey? I'll create another video of monkeys and donkeys later on. Essentially, donkey is the one who has to produce the task, but monkey is the person who actually has to make sure it happens. These are two different. Sometimes these are different people, sometimes the same people. So we have to correct the ads, and then we show you. Change images, replace poor quality images with high quality resolution. Data is missing. It means that we need to add more data. Now, if we then let's say on the 23rd we got the first rejection date, we went ahead and fixed the images, and now I'm gonna choose Tabula again, and it's gonna show. It shouldn't give me a red. Okay, I'll fix that. I have some color coding issue here. Okay, ignore the red. The red is correct. It should be Tabula. But this, now it says landing page misinterprets the product, service, or something. Let's choose another thing. Thumbnail. Okay. Thumbnail misleading. Now that's the current rejection reason. One or more ad images needs to be replaced. And then it tells you what to do. So that's the very cool thing about it. Okay, now title, incorrect items, controversial, bold, misleading titles. So it explains you and tells you what to do. So we can actually do something about the rejection reasons. And that's it. Now, we're about to finish. Here is only the names that for some reason are not updated. Item ideator is the name. Let's say I ideated the item. Mona created the ad. Here I have to change this, but let's say the invisible man was the CSM. The supervisor did the WordPress uploader was Faraz, and the campaign uploader was Johan. Okay, so this way we can know who did what, who is good, who is better, who is the best, and so on and so on. We can make all sorts of analysis. So all of this data has to be inserted, right? This brings us back to the point where what is the goal? Okay, it's not as many. Look here, look how many items we have here. How many rows items are partially created? Okay. Look how many crucials we cannot track correctly because we don't have a lot of data. Okay, and that's exactly our problem. You are witnessing the essence of our problem at the moment. Okay, we are putting data in sheets. We're not using that data to help us improve ourselves. We're not behaving as analysts. We're behaving as data entry people, and even for that, we're not doing such a great job. So let's fix that. And let's start our journey to become better analysts. I'll make another video for duplications and profit analysis just because I have a meeting that I'm late for. So I'll see you around. Bye bye.